We have 2008 3 litre Roadster. Only 2 owners. We supplied the car new and used. Walnut Dashboard, Moto-lita steering wheel, steering column cowl covered in leather, elasticated door pockets, alum white neck rolls and inner side screen panels, chrome interior mirror, sun visors, round door mirrors, full mohair weather equipment, extra wing treads, luggage rack, has a raised sump to give you the extra ground clearance, SSL front and rear suspension, so it has the 5-link suspension on the rear. Protective paint film, classic combination of black with red leather, got a little stone chip and mark on it in places, as you can just see on the front wings, and there's a little bit of bubbling on the back of one of the rear wings. It's available for Allen White sports cars. 01234 750 205, and thank you for watching.